Good morning, friends. I welcome you all in Unit 3 of Standard 10th, naturally in English class. Friends, whenever we are asked by our parents to do particular household chores, we generally request them, or in correct word, we put conditions in front of them and we say, if you give me permission for watching my TV serial, then and then I will do this work which is told by you. Particularly at home with your mother, this happens. If father asks you to do something, to fetch something from the market, you put the same condition and say, if you give me 5 rupees for the chocolate, then I will do this job. This type of the thing happens at our home and we use these terms and conditions. Why I remember all this? Why I ask you to remember all these? The reason is that we are going to learn the poem which is titled by If. It is composed by Nobel Prize winner, English poet Robert Kipling. Friends, but what this if is? We are not unknown with if. We are well acquainted with if. We use it. Where do we use if? We frame many sentences. Till now means up till 10th class, you have framed number of sentences of if. Some sentences I have fetched for you. Yes, if it rains, I shall not be able to come. Second is, if I go to school tomorrow, I will get the important instructions about COVID. Now this is the condition. Third, if you wait for me, I will come. If you throw the stone to the shop, the shopkeeper will beat you. If he says yes, I will go with him. All these type of the conditions are put. If there is a condition, then there is a result. Here, if war breaks out, Armenia and Azerbaijan, if war breaks out, no city in the world will be safe. If you do not pay attention, you will lose the important point. The next is, if you study well, you will get good result. If you study well, you will get good result. If you have faith, you can achieve your goal. And if you wait, you will get what you want. In all the above sentences, we have seen the clause of if. Every if. If is the conditional clause that we have studied in the standard 7th, 8th and 9th in English. But here the title of the poetry, if. What the poet want to say in this poem, before going to that, we are going to see what is there for us in warming up chit chat at page number 86. Now open your books on page number 86. First, chit chat. Naturally, whenever we do this type of the activities, the groups are formed. We have to imagine that the groups are formed, and in the group chat, the work is going on. Here, the first question is, how do you react when your parents scold you? Means they get angry with you. What will you do? Who is going to scold you? Not a teacher in your class, not any other person, but the most important persons in the family, that is parents. The question is, how do you react when your parents scold you? Think for a while. Naturally, if anybody scold you, your reactions will be different. But whenever the parents are going to scold you, what will happen? How do you react when your parents will scold you? Generally, whenever parents scold us, what is the answer? General answer is, whenever the parents scold us, what is done? It is think that we are damn confident that we are at the side of mistake, means we are mistaken, and so the parents are annoyed, they are angry, they are scolding, and you have to find the reason why the parents have scolded you. Second is, how do you feel when someone insults you? Someone. It may be the friend, it may be the companion, it may be somebody else. But generally, somebody who insults you is which is near to you. And so, if or when someone insults you, naturally you feel very bad. Naturally, we feel very bad. And at the same time, if you are of a good personality, if you are the good virtues in your personality, then you will not be angry with him, though he insult you. But what will you do? You will find who is at fault, and if it is our fault, then I will try, or you will try in such a way, or you will try not to make the same mistake again. Because you will get realize that if I behave, I talk in the manner, the person may insult me. Third, how would you react when you are cheated by your friends? Friend, the word friend is very different word. It is a magical word, friend. The cheater are never friends. Cheater are never our friend. So, how would you react when you are cheated by your friends? First thing, cheaters are not our friends. Friends never cheat us. So, my answer will be, I will never be in the company of such a type of so-called friends. And I will not go with them. Why is it wrong to make the difference among friends who belong to a different class, color, or community? That means, why it is wrong to discriminate the people on the basis of caste, color, creed, race, and religion? Why? The author asks us. The answer is very simple. We are the people who has the rich heritage of a culture, of a religion, of whatever the virtues which are cultivated in our religion. In our Hindu culture, we say Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which is the statement from the Vedas, the first ever written book, or the composed book, not written, composed book. Composed chanting or the Vedas, the statements or the sentences in the Vedas, which we call as the shloks in Sanskrit. Yes, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is the theme of our culture. And when Vasudhaiva is Kutumbakam, when the people living on the globe are or is our family, is one family, that is the thought or the thinking of our people living in India, then how could one make the difference on the basis of class, color, and community? And after all, as the question is asked about the making discrimination about the friends, the first definition of the friends, or yes, among the friends, yes, the friendship is not made on the basis of class, color, or community. Whereas The friendship is done or is made or is being made or is performed even with the people of good heart and soul. So, one should not or one should never discriminate the people on the basis of caste, creed and race. That is the preaching of our nation. So, we will never make, or it is wrong to make such a discriminations. Yes. Next is complete the table providing suitable response to the given actions. Action and responses. Yes, on page number 86. Yes, page number 86, over books on page number 86. Complete the table providing suitable responses to the given actions. I have made that table for you. Yes. First sentence is there made, action and response is written in the book. So I would like to read it only, and so I have not written in the table. So the first sentence is, in action, you are punished by the teacher without any reason. We always think that whenever we are punished, we say that there was not my fault and not my mistake, and the teacher have punished me. So what if it happens with you, or it is 100% true that you are not at a fault and you are punished by the teacher? What will be the response? It is given in the book. I would like to read it for you. I shall not lose my temper, but I shall talk to the teacher now. At the very same time, no, I will talk with the teacher afterwards. Second is, your friend spreads rumors about you. Rumors means wrong things about you. They spread the rumors about you. What should be your response? I will try to control myself. I will not be aggressive. And I will try to find out the reason why the people are spreading, or the friends are spreading the rumors about me. Third, someone doubts you. Someone, maybe your family member, your friends, your neighbors, or your playmates. That means whenever someone doubts you, what is the response? What should one do? I will try my best to clear their doubts. I will try my best to clear their doubts. Fourth is, your relatives blame you for something. Blame. You know the meaning of blame. Doshi Tharave. Your relatives blame you for something. Then what should be your stand? What should be your response? I will try my best to find the truth behind the blame. Why they are blaming me? I will not be angry. It is not good to be angry whenever somebody blames me. So what is correct? I will try my best to find the truth behind their blame, and I will make them clear. I will make them clear that their blame was without reason or unnecessary. I will do this work for. Someone hurts you. It happens. In the life, it happens. Whenever someone hurts you, the response should be, I will definitely keep distance from such people. I will be away from the people who always hurts me. At the same time, I will observe my own behavior and thoughts and will correct myself if I am wrong. If I am wrong. And the last one and the fifth. Right? Yes, it was the last one and the fifth. Now, complete second from the chit chat. Complete the sentences meaningfully and share them with the class. One is there, completed for you. If you read a book, you will gain knowledge. Again, the sentences of if that we have just a minute before we have seen this type of the sentences of if. Again, the sentences of if. I would like to again put these sentences in front of you, as there are some sentences given to us. If you read books, you will gain knowledge. If you do exercise daily, you will be physically fit and fine. If you study hard, you will pass the exam. If you have faith, you can achieve your goal. If you have faith, you can achieve your goal. If, again, this if is in the middle of the sentence, so the sentence will be, you will get whatever you want. You will get whatever you want if you can wait. And what was my sentence originally? If you wait, you will get what you want. Now you have to put this in the middle of the sentence. The place is changed. So what will be the same sentence? The same sentence will be, you will get what you want if you are ready to wait. Yes. Now classify the following into weakness and strength. Page number 86. Third one. Classify the following into weakness and strength. Some words are given you that you have to classify them. Fear. Now this fear is the, again I have made this table for you. Yes. Classify the weakness and strength. The words are given. So the first, fear. Fear is the weakness. Fear is the weakness. Confidence, whereas confidence is the strength. Clarity. Clarity is the strength. Next is confusion. Whenever there is confusion, confusion is always a part of weakness. Worry is also the part of weakness. Courage, definitely courage is the strength. Cowardice, vitrepana, it is the negative thing. That is, so it is the weakness of the personality. Then compassion. Compassion, daya bhav. Compassion is the strength. Bravery, naturally it is the strength. Hesitation is there. Whenever hesitation is there, it is the weakness. Punctuality is the strength. Laziness again is the weakness. Anger is weakness. But faith is the strength of the personality. Patience, Sanyam, patience, it is the strength. Ambition. Ambition must be there, so it is the strength. Generosity is also the part of the strength. Audarya asla pahije. Impatience, utavilpana, it is the part of weakness. Cheerfulness is again the part, again the strength. Tolerance is the strength. Arrogance, uddhatpana, is weakness. And aggressiveness, akramakata, this aggressiveness is also weakness. So, friends, we have completed the warming up here on page number 86. Thank you.